how to check telecel number. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so Vodafone is now called telecel, and then here in Ghana, this is the exact way that you'll be able to know your telecel number. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to know your telecel number by simply following the step-by-step strategy. Okay, so all I have to do is to simply dial the short code *127, and then you press on the hash. Okay, and then you dial it, and your telecel number is going to be displayed. Okay, so you just select the SIM slot that your SIM is on, and then you simply call it, and your telecel number is going to be displayed just like this one. Okay, so to know your telecel number, simply press on the key button on your phone and then dial the short code *127 hash, and then simply press on where your SIM slot is on. So mine is on SIM 2. I'm just going to press on it, and then my telecel number is going to be displayed just like this one. Okay, so if you have any question or anything, just put it in the comment section down below for me, and I'm going to attend to it for you. So like this video, and then see you in my next video.